Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Creating with Art, and I'm back with a haul from scrapbook.com. Now, I normally don't shop at scrapbook.com. I find the shipping to be a little high, and the prices are sometimes pretty good. But anyway, I went there. They were having a big die sale for, I want to say for Halloween. And I'm going to show you the big thing that made me go there. But let me show you the other things that I got because I was already there. The first is Harry the Hedgehog. This is a tonic die, and I know a lot of people have been finding this at Tuesday morning. I hadn't had luck, but it happened to be on sale, so I went ahead and picked that one up. And then I'm a huge fan of these little bee dies. I love that they come on these metal sheets. I love the size of them, the way they cut, they're really cute. So this one's called Luau, and it makes this, I don't know, like a lantern and this little tiki umbrella, but I think it's really cute. So I did get those. And then I got this snowman. Now I had gotten the snowman that had the 3 dies. This one was really inexpensive. I can't remember the price because it's since been Halloween, but it's called Joyful Snowman, and it's very cute. So I like the size of it because it's a nice card-sized die. So I went ahead and get that one. And then I got this tag die. Now I have tons of tag dies. This one was very reasonable, but the reason why I got it was I wanted, because it's kind of small, the reason why I really wanted it was for the to and the from. I really liked the to and the from. So I got that. And then I got this Mary die, was on clearance from Lawn Fawn. And then I got this die, which is a lot smaller than I thought it was, but I'm actually glad that it's so small. And this makes a reindeer. So I did get that. So let me move on to the pièce de résistance. So I got an email from scrapbook.com that said that you could buy this card making tonic kit for $19.99. It says it's over $70 worth of goodies. So let me show you what's in it and why I thought it was well worth it. So it comes in another box like this. So included in the kit is this Verso die set. It's the Nordic Christmas Cracker. Now, I saw Bona got this. I have not been able to find this at my Tuesday morning, at any of the Tuesday mornings by me. And it comes with a ton of dies to make these Christmas crackers. And you can use all different kinds of, it gives you all these different kinds of options for the sides, or you can even cut your own sides if you wanted to do it with pattern paper or whatever. You could do that too. Very cool. So included this, which this die alone is fairly expensive if you cannot find it at Tuesday morning. So that was the first thing. And then you got this kit, which I'm going to go ahead and open so I can show you what is in this kit. Of course, I can't find any scissors or anything near me when I want to open something, right? I've got like scissors galore, but you know. Oh, here we go. Oh, duh, I found my scissors. So let me go ahead, and it's taped, and I don't want to rip the box. So it comes with all kinds of really amazing goodies. So that die alone, I think, was well worth it. So all this other stuff that you get in here. So you get this die also with it. It's the Nordic Trio Panel die. So it's an intricate die. It's very beautiful. Here it is right here. So I'll have to cut this out and see what it looks like. I'm getting ready to go to my daughter's dance competition. So this is just kind of a quick video. Then you also get this embossing folder as well as this stamp set. All included. And you get these kind of paper and cut aparts. So you get all of this paper, and there were those cut aparts at the beginning, those cut aparts in the back here. So you get all this paper, and then you get the Tonic Studios card making magazine, which gives you 81 projects using your seasonal kit. So it gives you all kinds of project ideas where you can use some of that kit for your project, which I think is super, super cool. So this is a really, really good deal. It comes with 2 dies, as well as a stamp set, an embossing folder, the magazine, and the paper. So it says right here, 68-page Ideas Magazine, exclusive 8-piece Tonic Studios Nordic Christmas Trio panel die. You get your A6 embossing folder, 18 image and sentiment stamps, and 160 stunning papers and toppers. So, plus, of course, you get the crackers die. So Christmas crackers die. So I think it's a really, really good deal. It was $19.99, and when I had looked yesterday, it was still for sale. So if this is something you think you might be interested in, or you've been wanting to get that crackers die and you haven't been able to find it, it's a really good price, I think, because you get all the other pieces to it. So I believe that everything that I bought, including shipping, these dies as well, I think I spent, I want to say $66, because $7.95 was shipping. $7.95 was shipping, and then that thing was 20, so 20, 30 plus tax. So these all dies right here ran about $30 for all of these dies, which is not bad. It's like $5 a die. So, which I don't think I paid that much for some of these. Some of these I might have paid a little bit more for this one and this one. So anyway, that is my haul, and I think that if you are interested in that Christmas crackers die, this is probably the kit that you should buy if you can't get it Tuesday morning. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.